Welcome, friends, to the fourth episode of the Speculation Locomotive. I'm your host, Wayne Presby. On this channel, we explore the new industrial revolution being powered by artificial intelligence, humanoid robotics, and quantum computing. These technologies will cause this industrial revolution to expand exponentially, enabling us to develop new materials, and even more advanced technologies. During my latest podcast, I explored the possibility of living forever through a robot surrogate. And today, we're embarking on a journey into the future of interplanetary travel using that surrogate robot. I have often dreamt of being an explorer. Throughout history, humans have been driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown. From the early days of crossing vast oceans to landing on the moon, our spirit of exploration has known no bounds. If we reflect on our past, humans demonstrated that they have always been explorers. From the early navigators who sailed uncharted seas, to Lewis and Clark exploring North America, to astronauts venturing into space. Each step has pushed the boundaries of what we know. Consider the voyages of explorers like Columbus or Magellan, who ventured into the unknown seas thought to be fraught with deadly creatures and a flat earth that they might fall off. Using limited technology, these explorers were driven by the same curiosity that propels us today. And if you fast forward to the 20th century and we see this spirit alive in the space race, culminating in the Apollo moon landing, a giant leap for mankind, and now SpaceX's Starship and Elon Musk's plan to colonize Mars. We are witnessing the greatest technological and industrial revolution in human history. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront, developing rapidly, and eventually on its own. It is reshaping our capabilities in ways we never imagined. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer in developing new advanced materials and propulsion systems that can take us deeper into space. Imagine a self-evolving, AI-driven spacecraft developed by AI and made of newly designed metals and materials impervious to micrometeorites and other potentially damaging conditions of space travel. These ships would be powered by anti-gravity drives or other propulsion systems developed by AI and capable of navigating complex interstellar routes with AI systems that can analyze and adapt to new environments in real time. This opens up the possibility for more efficient, safer, and farther-reaching space missions. These realities are made possible by one of the most exciting developments of this industrial revolution: the creation of humanoid robots. These robots are more than machines. They're potential companions and pioneers, capable of undertaking long, arduous missions without the needs that humans have. Sending robots simplifies the logistics of space exploration tremendously. Robots don't require food or water or oxygen, and they don't need protective gear like spacesuits. This significantly reduces the weight and complexity of missions. Imagine a spacecraft that doesn't have to carry life support systems, medical supplies, or living quarters. Instead, it can be optimized entirely for efficiency and durability. Humanoid robots can withstand extreme conditions, perform complex tasks, and even repair themselves or the spacecraft if needed. This makes them ideal for exploring harsh, uncharted territories and building the foundations of new colonies. Additionally, these new spacecraft would be equipped with advanced 3D printing systems. Using AI, we will develop new communication systems that will enable these craft to stay in communication with Earth. This would enable the 3D printing systems to receive updated designs and AI updates, enabling the robot and AI pilots to continue to self-evolve during their journey. They can manufacture new components, repair themselves, and even upgrade their systems, ensuring they remain at the cutting edge of technology throughout the mission. I could send a clone of my surrogate robot on this journey, and he could send back vivid accounts of his exploits to my clone on Earth. Now, let's speculate further. Imagine a scenario where my surrogate robot would embark on a 100-year journey in powered down mode for most of the trip, but constantly receiving updates and new instructions. By the time the robot reaches its destination, it would fully power up, and having been in powered down mode during most of the journey, it would be like the trip took no time at all. And once they arrived, they would be equipped with the latest technology, ready to build a new home for humanity. Using the 3D printer, the robot could produce even more robots once it reaches its destination, providing an entire workforce to begin building a habitat capable of supporting humans. Rather than sending humans on these difficult, time-consuming, and treacherous voyages, we could send well-preserved DNA. If AI develops the technology to grow humans from preserved DNA, perhaps even my DNA, these robots could effectively raise the first generation of humans on a new planet, and they would be my direct descendants. The robots could create habitats, cultivate food, and prepare an environment that's ready for human life. This vision of the future highlights the incredible potential of combining advanced robotics with human ingenuity, paving the way for humanity's next great adventure. Using these technologies, we could expand human life and our families throughout the universe. Thank you for joining me on this speculative adventure. The future of interplanetary travel holds endless possibilities, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I would also like to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel, and I promise to continue to improve the quality of the show and continue to offer you interesting topics to discuss. I would love to hear any comments you have or suggestions for improvement. Until next time, stay curious and keep speculating. I would also like to thank the Cog Railway for sponsoring this podcast. Thank you very much.